Hi everyone, it's Cara from PlanIt Outsourcing Solutions, and today I'm going to talk to you about records management and managing your tax receipts and invoices for our tip of the week. So, as we know, it's tax season, and if you are one of those people that waits till the last minute or collects all of your receipts and then does them at the end of the year or around tax time, it can be time consuming and it can be rather stressful if you're using one of the tried and true methods like a shoebox or an accordion file or an envelope, because you have to sort all of that information and put them in a manner that's useful to your accountant. But what happens a lot of times is sometimes the receipts fade or you don't put notes on them, so it's hard to try to figure out what it is that you purchased or when you purchased it or why. So I'm going to show you a quick way that you can do this on the fly. That'll only take you a few minutes as opposed to hours on end, and that will save you time with your accountant as well as your bookkeeper if you use one. And this method is great for people that save their receipts and do it later on. So ideally you want to get your receipts done as soon after the purchase is made or the event, after you've attended the event. However, sometimes you don't have the opportunity, or you may just have a few receipts, so you want to collect them and do them over a month after, or you want to do them quarterly. So this method, using a binder system, is probably a better way for you to do that. So typically people use a file folder. I'm going to show you how to do it with a binder instead of a file folder, and you can use any 8x11 binder or bigger, but you need one that's big enough to hold your information. So this is a 1-inch that I'm using, but you can use a 2-inch or whatever. This one also has a Velcro closure so that if you've got loose paper, it doesn't fall out. It's also got a little pouch for my pen, and you can use either the round rings or the D-rings. The D-rings are easier to move your paper around because they don't get stuck and they lay flat when you're doing it. I've also got some dividers in my binder. So these are month dividers, and I don't know if you can see that, but this is January, and then it'll go all the way down to December. And the other thing that I've got in here is what's called a sleeve protector, and it's just a clear plastic sleeve with a slit at the top, and you would put your invoices and your receipts into the pouch, and then for each month. And then when you're ready to hand them over or ready to input them into your accounting software, they're already in month order, and then you just have to sort them further by category, like say parking or subscriptions, whatever have you. So I've done February. So I'm just going to try and get this a little bit closer. So you see here I've got my Staples receipt and also a gas receipt, and you just put them all in the pouch. And then you would gather all of the gas ones, all of the invoices, etc., and go from there. And it's a great method. It's quick. Binders are portable, so you can put them on a shelf. When you're ready to use them, you just grab it, put your information in, and once you're done with it, you hand it off to a bookkeeper or an accountant until the next time that you need it. And that takes you a few minutes every week, or if you don't have a lot, a few minutes every month, and saves you hundreds of dollars versus having your accountant do it for you. So that is our tip of the week, and you can find more tips on our website, www.PlanIt Outsourcing Solutions, and PlanIt is spelled P-L-A-N-I-T. And you can also find them on LinkedIn. And look out for a webinar that I'll be doing. I'll give you more tips and tools that you can use to organize your tax information in a quick way that'll save you both time and money. And hopefully you'll get some good use out of that. If you have comments or questions, or if you want more tips, you have ideas for tips, you can put them in the box below in the comments section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again for PlanIt Outsourcing Solutions. This is Cara. Hope you have a wonderful day.